Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop YouTube wall feed module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how you can easily use the module to show YouTube videos on the front end of your shop. So let's just go to the PrestaShop back office. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my PrestaShop. So let's just proceed to configure the module. In the configuration settings, there are multiple options. So we'll see each of the option one by one. The first option is of API key. You need to create an API key using the Google console. I'll just explain you the process to create the API key in some moment. But before that, let's just see what else option is available. Next is YouTube channel name and username. Here you need to enter the channel and the username of the YouTube account whose videos you want to show on the PrestaShop front end. Then next is max feed. Here you can enter the number of videos, maximum number of videos that you want to show on the front end of your shop. Then next is show date. In case if you enable this option, then the publishing date of the video will be shown just below the video. Then next is slider auto run, whether you want to show the YouTube videos in the sliding mode and whether it will be auto run sliding mode or not, you can select that. Then next is sliding interval and sliding speed. You can select a speed and the interval of your own choice by putting a show table value here. Then next is YouTube wall position. Here you can select the page on which you want to show this YouTube feeds. There are multiple options that you can see. Product page, home page, left and right column corresponds to the category page of your shop. Then next is wall data color. Data color corresponds to, like you have seen here, that is show date. Then date is like the extra data, or the name of the video is extra data. So in which color you want to show that data on the YouTube feed section, you can select that from here. And wall color corresponds to the background color of the wall on which the YouTube feeds is shown to the customer. Now after saving the details, as it is already saved in my PrestaShop, so let me just take you to the front end and show you how this is shown to the customers. As you can see, this is the section that is added onto the home page of your shop, and in this way the videos of the YouTube from a particular YouTube account is fetched and shown to the customer. Now let's just change the position of the page and I'll show you how it is shown in the category page of the shop. So let's just go to the category page, and as you can see that here a section is added to show the YouTube video feeds. In the similar way, you can also choose to show it on the product page of your shop. So let's just change to the product page, and on the product page here it is shown in this manner, as you can see. Now let me just take you to the Google console, where I will show you the process to create the API keys and enable APIs. Now here is the Google Cloud platform. Here firstly you need to create a project. As you can see that I have already created multiple projects here, so I will not be creating any project, but in case if you need to create a new project, so you will just need to click on this button, and after clicking on this button, form will open here like this. You can enter the name of the project organization and just click on the create button, and a project will be created. Now after creating the project, you need to go to the credential section to get the API keys. In order to create the API keys, as you can see that I have already created one of the API keys here, but in case if you are creating for the first time, then you can simply click here on the create credential button, select the API key option, and an API key will be created automatically as shown here. Copy and paste it to to your module. Now, after creating the API key, go to the library section. Here, you need to select the YouTube option from here, that is available in the left side section. After selecting the YouTube option, you can see that these three results will be shown. And in order to show those videos in a proper way, you need to enable all these API keys in your particular project. As you can see, the option to enable is now available here because it is not yet enabled in this particular project. And you also need to do that same process for the other two services too. So when you enable these API of YouTube, the API key that you have just created for this project would be associated with these three YouTube services. And when you add the API key to your module, the process to fetch the videos will be very easy. And it's not easy, the process to fetch videos will be available, and you can simply fetch the videos of any particular account and show it to your customers. So this was all about the PrestaShop YouTube wallfeed module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.